If you love me, let me hear you say my name, my name. If you love me, let me hear you.
Hey y'all, welcome to this new super speed cleaning motivation 2022. I am so excited to be back on here. I haven't been in a while. There is a lot going on. I've got some exciting news that I'll share with you soon. We are starting out in the laundry room, so if you've got something that you need to tackle, let's go ahead and get it done together.
Find a way to start again. Oh yeah, 'cause I wanna work things out. Yeah. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me. With me. I can be the one to turn your life around.
First of all, welcome if you're brand new here. My name is Crystal. I live in North Carolina. I love to post cleaning, organizing, and some decorating content. If that's what you're into, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you join my family, and you can also set up notifications so you'll see every time I upload. I have not been consistent, as I said, so that way you will not miss a video. And I lost a clip, so I did make up my whole bed, but you're just seeing the end. But if you're not new here, you've seen me do that so many times, it doesn't even matter.
Everything will be okay. 'Cause no one else can make me feel this way. Yeah. I'm completely satisfied, right? As long as you're by my side. So if you love me, let me hear you say my name.
That was Febreze that you saw me spray on my bed. I also like the Caldrea linen and room spray, but I need to place a Grove order. If you guys are interested in Grove, I have a link below. I do not do the subscription, I just order as needed. So just check that out if you're interested. And I also wanted to say, if you're returning, thank you so much for always hanging with me no matter when I upload. Guys, let me know in the comments if you like these really fast speed cleaning videos. I do have more in-depth ones in my different playlists, but these are just some of the things that I needed to get done. I also needed to take care of my office because it was a little dusty. So I just wanted to quickly run through the house. I didn't have a lot of time on this day, but let me know if you like this type of motivation.
Lies behind the promises they went on and on about how you're coming home only to prove you want me. The make believe it went way too deep. You made a
Now I'm in the office. I've been using my Jaws glass cleaner for the nightstands, the mirror, and then this desk is chrome and glass, so it works great on there too. I'm just gonna get everything wiped down as well as the bookshelves, and then I will vacuum in here as well.
so bold to finally tell me your love went cold. You fool me good. You fool me good. You fool me good. I gave it to ya. You fool me good. You fool me good. You fool me good. I gave it to ya. You say you wanna save me. You say
If you're wondering where anything you see in my house came from, I finally filmed a house tour. I've had questions about where different things are located in my house, and it's small, but sometimes it's hard to have perspective, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you have your notifications on, as I said earlier. And right now, I'm just taking care of the office, and like I said, if you see something that you want to know where I got it from, I did do an office makeover, but leave me a comment and I'll be happy to answer that for you.
a fool
Now I'm just getting my shredder emptied. You see I always make a mess because it gets caught in that little shredder part. So I'm gonna get as much of it as I can out, dump it, and then I will vacuum up what I spilled.
You fool me good. I give it to ya. You fool me good. You fool me good. You fool me good. I give it to ya. I should have known right from the start that you were gonna break my precious heart. I know it's true, love makes you blind. 'Cause now I see what lies behind. You had me waiting for you to come home. Good time to bad times, the moment you stole. You had me waiting for something so.
I'm wrapping up vacuuming the office, and then the next area that needed attention was my guest bathroom. So I'm in there now. I'm just gonna start with getting the mirror wiped down. We haven't had much company lately, so it's gonna be pretty quick and easy. I have gotten in the habit of speeding up cleaning the toilet really, really fast, since some people don't really enjoy that, and a lot of you have seen me do it so many times, so I am really quickly getting that done.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club. We'll go all night. I see you in the back. The mood is right. If I just had your number.
I'm kind of upset because I love this iridescent soap dispenser, but it keeps leaking. It's not the best quality, even though it has held up for a while. So I think I'm gonna have to let it go, and I'll just put one of my Mrs. Meyers or something out here. But I was cleaning it off because the soap keeps leaking from the top. So now I'm just getting the sink wiped down, and then I'm gonna take care of the mirrored tray that I keep on the back of the toilet. It's always dusty from the toilet paper, so I'm just using the jaws on that too.
It's all about us, as we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right.
Since this is quick today, I'm just gonna vacuum in here. There will not be any mopping, and then once I'm finished, we will move over to the master bathroom.
We won't regret it. So come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending.
Now in the master bathroom, I'm gonna start on the mirror. Let me know what you're up to. Are you working with me or are you relaxing? I love to relax while I watch YouTube videos. I'll have the TV playing in the background, but I'll usually be watching on my iPad or laptop. I like to pay attention to detail and see every little thing that's going on. So what is your preference? Using Method on the vanity. I got 3 bottles from Costco a long time ago. I've talked about it before, but they were such a great deal, only like $7. I use other cleaning products too, so they last a really long time. This vanity can get a lot of drips on it, so it didn't look too great in person, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and take care of it right now. yes, I had to take care of another mirrored tray, and now I'm going back over the faucets with my glass cleaner. I like to use that on chrome because it makes it nice and sparkly. We will do this toilet in super speed as well before we move on.
How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice, but every time you thought that we did alright. But I thought it through, and I'm missing you. And I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing.
Now back in the laundry room, the clothes that I put in at the beginning of the video were finished washing, so I'm just gonna throw those in the dryer. And then the washer and dryer needed a good wipe down, and then I vacuumed in here as well. Don't forget your spaces like this, guys, where you're cleaning, because sometimes we just assume they're clean, but they get dirty too.
If you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me?
After I finish vacuuming, that's gonna wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this quick motivation. Please leave me a comment, especially if you're new. Thank you for your time. I love you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
And love me like yesterday.